food I really like to eat that a lot of people will mispronounce is quinoa. I first found out about this when I was working at a restaurant that added it to our menu, and people would come in asking, "What's quinoa?" Super confident, not even realizing that it's wrong. And I had this struggle of do I tell them that it's quinoa? Do I just ignore it? "Oh, you mean the quinoa?" And they sometimes would look at me kind of weird and wonder what I'm saying because it doesn't necessarily look the same as what quinoa would be. But I usually would just try to correct them. If you're wondering how to say it, it's just 2 syllables. It's keen, like you're keen to do something, and then wa, so beginning of water. I really like acai bowls, but before I knew it was pronounced acai, I would say, I think I used to say acai. There's not even an H in it, but I was just wondering what it could be. So I went in one day to order one from this smoothie shop that just started having these, and I said, "Could I get an Acai Bowl?" And they looked at me like, "What are you saying?" And then I pointed to it and they said, "Oh, you mean an acai bowl?" And I said this in front of a few of my friends, so they're all laughing at me as this employee is looking at me funny. And so that was kind of how I learned what acai was. But I still eat those today. I just say it right.